Hari Bol, Dandavat Pranam. So I was reciting Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. Today I am going to continue the same. Chaitanya Charitamrita written by Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. It is in 3 parts. At present I am reciting the first part, Adi Lila. And today I will be reciting the 11th chapter. Before that, let me pray to Srila Gurudev, Guru Parampara, the Supreme Lord and his personal associates. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitamena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ramo 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 Hare Hare. So chapter 11, the expansions of Lord Nityananda. Text 1 to 8. Nityananda Padamboja Bringan Prema Madhun Madan Natvakhilan Teshu Mukhya Likhyante Katichin Maya. Jai Jai Sri Advaita Jai Nityananda Jai Jai Mahaprabhu Sarva Bhakta Vrinda. Tasya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Sat Premamara Shakhinaha Urdhva Skandhava Dhutendo Shakha Rupan Ganan Namaha. Sri Nityananda Vrikshera Skandha Gurutara Tahate Janmila Shakha Prashakha Vistar Malakare Richa Jale Bade Shakhagan Prema Phul Phale Bhari Chaila Bhuvan. असंख्य अनंत गण के करु गणन आपना शोधिते कही मुख्य मुख्य जन. श्री वीरभद्र गोसाई स्कंद महाशाखा तार उपशाखा जत असंख्य तार लिखा. Translation. After offering my obeisances unto all the devotees of Sri Nityananda Prabhu, who are like bumblebees collecting honey from his lotus feet, I shall try to describe those who are the most prominent. All glories to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Anyone who has taken shelter at his lotus feet is glorious. All glories to Sri Advaita Prabhu, Nityananda Prabhu and all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Nityananda Prabhu is the topmost branch of the indestructible tree of eternal love of Godhead, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I offer my respectful obeisances to all the sub-branches of the topmost branch. Sri Nityananda Prabhu is an extremely heavy branch of Sri Chaitanya tree. From that branch grow many branches and sub-branches. Watered by the desire of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, these branches and sub-branches have grown unlimitedly and covered the entire world with fruits and flowers. These branches and sub-branches of devotees are innumerable and unlimited. Who could count them? For my personal purification, I shall try to enumerate only the most prominent among them. After Nityananda Prabhu, the greatest branch is Veerbhadra Gosai, who also has innumerable branches and sub-branches. It is not possible to describe them all. Text 9 to 15. ईश्वर हैया कहाय महाभागवत, वेद धर्मातीत हैया वेद धर्मेरथ। अंतरे ईश्वर चेष्टा बाहिरे निर्दंभ, चैतन्य भक्ति मंटपे देहो मूल स्तंभ। अद्यापि जहार कृपा महिमा हिते, चैतन्य नित्यानंद गाय सकल जगत। से वीरभद्र गोसाई लैनो शरण, जहार प्रसादे है अभीष्ट पूरण। श्री रामदास और गदाधर दास चैतन्य गोसाई भक्त रहे तार पास। नित्यानंदे आज्ञा दिला, जबे गौड़े जायते, महाप्रभु यही दुई दिला तार साथे। अतैव दुई गणे दोहार गणन, माधव वासुदेव गोशेराव ये विवरण। Translation: Although Veerbhadra Gosai was the supreme personality of Godhead, he presented himself as a great devotee, and although the supreme Godhead is transcendental to all Vedic injunctions, he strictly followed the Vedic rituals. He is the main pillar in the hall of devotional service erected by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He knew within himself that he acted as the Supreme Lord Vishnu, but externally he was prideless. It is by the glorious mercy of Sri Veerbhadra Gosai that people all over the world now have the chance to chant the names of Chaitanya and Nityananda. I therefore take shelter of the lotus feet of Veerbhadra Gosai, so that by his mercy my great desire to write Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita will be properly guided. Two devotees of Lord Chaitanya named Sri Ramdas and Gadadhar Das always lived with Sri Veerbhadra Gosai. When Nityananda Prabhu was ordered to go to Bengal to preach, these two devotees, Sri Ramdas and Gadadhar Das, were ordered to go with him. Thus, they are sometimes counted among the devotees of Lord Chaitanya and sometimes among the devotees of Lord Nityananda. Similarly, Madhav Ghosh and Vasudev Ghosh belonged to both groups of devotees simultaneously. Text 16 to 23. Ramdas Mukhya Shakha Sakhya Prema Rashi Shola Shangira Kasta Jai Tuli Kaila Vamshi. Gadadhar Das Gopi Bhave Purnananda Jar Gare दान के लिए कैल्या नित्यानंद। श्री माधव घोष मुख्य कीर्तनिया गणे, नित्यानंद प्रभु नृत्य करे जार गाने। वासुदेव गीते करे प्रभुर वर्णने, काष्ट पाषाण द्रवे चार श्रवणे। मुरारी चैतन्य दासेर अलौकिक लीला व्याघ्र गाले चाड़ मारे सर्प सने खेला। नित्यानंदेर गण जत सब ब्रज सखा श्रृंगा वेत्र गोपवेश सिरे शिखी पाखा। रघुनाथ वैद्य उपाध्याय महाशय जहार दर्शने कृष्ण प्रेम भक्ति है। सुंदरानंद नित्यानंदेर शाखा भृत्य मर्म जार संगे नित्यानंद करे ब्रज नरमा। Translation: Ramdas, one of the chief branches, was full of fraternal love of Godhead. He made a flute from a stick with 16 knots. Srila Gadadhar Das was always fully absorbed in ecstasy as a gopi. In his house, Lord Nityanand enacted the drama Danakeli. Sri Madhav Ghosh was the principal performer of Kirtan. While he sang, Nityanand Prabhu danced. When Vasudev Ghosh described Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda while performing Kirtan, even wood and stone would melt upon hearing it. There were many extraordinary activities performed by Murari, a great devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sometimes in his house, sometimes in his ecstasy, he would slap the cheek of a tiger, and sometimes he would play with a venomous snake. All the associates of Lord Nityananda were formerly cowherd boys in Brajabhumi. Their symbolic representations were the horns and sticks they carried, their cowherd dress and the peacock plumes on their heads. The physician Raghunath, also known as Upadhyaya, was so great a devotee that simply by seeing him, one would awaken his dormant love of Godhead. Sundarananda, another branch of Sri Nityananda Prabhu, was Lord Nityanand's most intimate servant. Lord Nityananda Prabhu pursued the life of Brajabhumi in his company. Text 24 to 26. कमलाकर पिपलाई अलौकिक रीता अलौकिक प्रेम तार भुवन विदिता। सूर्यदास सरखेला तार भाई कृष्णदास नित्यानंद दृढ़ विश्वास प्रेमेर निवास। गौरीदास पंडित जार प्रेमो दंड भक्ति कृष्ण प्रेमादित्य नीते धरे महाशक्ति। Translation: Kamalakar Pipalai is said to have been the third Gopal. His behavior and love of Godhead were uncommon, and thus he is celebrated all over the world. Suryadas Sarkhela and his younger brother Krishnadas Sarkhela both possessed firm faith in Nityananda Prabhu. They were a reservoir of love of Godhead. Gauridas Pandit, the emblem of the most elevated devotional service in love of Godhead, had the greatest potency to receive and deliver such love. Text 27 to 31. नित्यानंदे समर्पिला जाति कुल पांति श्री चैतन्य नित्यानंदे करी प्रणिपाति प्राणपति। नित्यानंद प्रभुर प्रिय पंडित पुरंदर प्रेमार्णव मध्य फिरे जैछन मंदर। परमेश्वर दास नित्यानंदयिक शरण कृष्ण भक्ति पाए तारे जे करे स्मरण। जगदीश पंडित है जगत पावन कृष्ण प्रेमामृत वर्षे जेन वर्षागण। नित्यानंद प्रिय भृत्य पंडित धनंजय अत्यंत विरक्त सदा कृष्ण प्रेममय। Translation: Making Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda the lords of his life, Gauridas Pandit sacrificed everything for the service of Lord Nityananda, even the fellowship of his own family. The 13th important devotee of Sri Nityananda Prabhu was Pandit Purandar, who moved in the ocean of love of Godhead just like the Mandara hill. Parameshwar Das, said to be the fifth Gopal of Krishna Leela, completely surrendered to the lotus feet of Nityananda. Anyone who remembers his name, Parameshwar Das, will get love of Krishna very easily. Jagadish Pandit, the 15th branch of Lord Nityananda's followers, was the deliverer of the entire world. Devotional love of Krishna showered from him like torrents of rain. The 16th dear servant of Nityananda Prabhu was Dhananjay Pandit. He was very much renounced and always merged in love of Krishna. Text 32 to 37. Mahesh Pandit Brajera Udar Gopal Dhaka Vadi Nritya Kare Premi Matoyal. नवद्वीपे पुरुषोत्तम पंडित महाशय नित्यानंद नामे जार मोहन माधव। बलराम दास कृष्ण प्रेम रसास्वादी नित्यानंद नामे है परम उन्मादी। महाभागवत यदुनाथ कवि चंद्र जहां हृदय नृत्य करे नित्यानंद। राढ़े जार जन्म कृष्णदास द्विजवर श्री नित्यानंद तेहो परम किंकर। काला कृष्णदास बड़ वैष्णव प्रधान नित्यानंद चंद्र बिना नहीं जाने आम। Translation: Mahesh Pandit, the 7th of the 12 Gopals, was very liberal. In great love of Krishna, he danced to the beating of a kettle drum like a madman. Purushottam Pandit, a resident of Navadvip, was the 8th Gopal. He would become almost mad as soon as he heard the holy name of Nityananda Prabhu. Balram Das always fully tasted the nectar of love of Krishna. Upon hearing the name of Nityananda Prabhu, he would become greatly maddened. Yadunath Kavi Chandra was a great devotee. Lord Nityananda Prabhu always danced in his heart. The 21st devotee of Sri Nityananda in Bengal was Krishnadas Brahman, who was a first-class servant of the Lord. The 22nd devotee of Lord Nityananda Prabhu was Kala Krishnadas, who was the 9th cowherd boy. He was a first-class Vaishnava and did not know anything beyond Nityananda Prabhu. Text 38 to 41. Sri Sadashiv Kaviraj Bad Mahashay Sri Purushottam Das Tahar Tanay आजन्म निमग्न नित्यानंदेर चरणे निरंतर बाल्य लीला करे कृष्ण सने। तार पुत्र महाशय श्री कानू ठाकुर जार देहे रहे कृष्ण प्रेमामृतपुर। महाभागवत श्रेष्ठ दत्त उद्धारण सर्वभावे सेवे नित्यानंदेर चरण। Translation: The 23rd and 24th prominent devotees of Nityananda Prabhu were Sadashiv Kaviraj and his son Purushottama Das, who was the 10th Gopal. From birth, Purushottam Das was merged in the service of the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, and he always engaged in childish play with Lord Krishna. Sri Kanu Thakur, a very respectable gentleman, was the son of Purushottam Das Thakur. He was such a great devotee that Lord Krishna always lived in his body. Uddharan Datta Thakur, the 11th among the 12 cowherd boys, was an exalted devotee of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. He worshipped the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda in all respects. Text 42 to 45. Acharya Vaishnavananda Bhakti Adhikari पूर्वे नाम छिलाजार रघुनाथपुरी। विष्णुदास, नंदन, गंगादास तीन भाई पूर्वे जार गरे छिला ठाकुर निताई। नित्यानंद भृत्य परमानंद उपाध्याय श्री जीव पंडित नित्यानंद गुण गाय। परमानंद गुप्ता कृष्ण भक्त महामती पूर्वे जार गरे नित्यानंदेर वसति। Translation. The 27th prominent devotee of Nityananda Prabhu was Acharya Vaishnavananda, a great personality in devotional service. He was formerly known as Raghunath Puri. Another important devotee of Lord Nityananda Prabhu was Vishnudas, who had two brothers, Nandan and Gangadas. Lord Nityananda Prabhu sometimes stayed at their house. Paramananda Upadhyay was Nityananda Prabhu's great servitor. Sri Jiva Pandit glorified the qualities of Nityananda Prabhu. The 31st devotee of Lord Nityananda Prabhu was Paramananda Gupta, who was greatly devoted to Lord Krishna and highly advanced in spiritual consciousness. Formerly, Nityananda Prabhu also resided at his house for some time. Text 46 to 51. नारायण कृष्णदास आर मनोहर, देवानंद चारी भाई निताई किंकर, होड़ा कृष्णदास नित्यानंद प्रभु प्राण, नित्यानंद पद विनो नाही जाने आन, नकड़ी मुकुंद सूर्य माधव श्रीधर रामानंद वसु, जगन्नाथ महीधर, श्रीमंत गोकुलदास हरिहरानंद, शिवाई नंदाई अवधूत परमानंद, वसंत नवनी होड़ा गोपाल सनातन विष्णाई हाजरा, कृष्णानंद सुलोचन, कमसारी सेन रामचंद्र कविराज, गोविंद श्रीरंग मुकुंद तीन कविराज। Translation. The 32nd, 33rd, 34th and 35th prominent devotees were Narayan, Krishnadas, Manohar and Devanand, who always engaged in the service of Lord Nityananda. The 36th devotee of Lord Nityananda was Hoda Krishnadas, whose life and soul was Nityananda Prabhu. He was always dedicated to the lotus feet of Nityananda, and he knew no one else but him. Among Lord Nityananda's devotees, Nakadi was 37th, Mukunda was 38th, Surya the 39th, Madhav the 40th, Sridhar the 41st, Ramananda the 42nd, Jagannath the 43rd and Mahidhar the 44th. Srimanta was 45th, Gokul Das the 46th, Hariharananda the 47th, Shivai the 48th, Nandai the 49th and Paramananda the 50th. Vasant was 51st, Navani Hoda the 52nd, Gopal the 53rd, Sanatan the 54th, Vishnai the 55th, Krishnananda the 56th, and Sulochan the 57th. The 58th great devotee of Lord Nityananda Prabhu was Kamsari Sen, the 59th was Ram Sen, the 60th was Ramchandra Kaviraj, and the 61st, 62nd and 63rd were Govind, Srirang and Mukund, who were all physicians. Text 52 to 59. पीतांबर, माधवाचार्य, दास दामोदर, शंकर, मुकुंद, ज्ञानदास, मनोहर, नर्तक गोपाल, रामभद्र, गौरांगदास, नरसिंह चैतन्य, मीनकेतन रामदास, वृंदावन दास, नारायणीर, नंदन, चैतन्य मंगल ज्यों करीला रचन, भागवती, कृष्णलीला, वर्णिला, वेद व्यास, चैतन्य लीलाते व्यास, वृंदावन दास, सर्व शाखा श्रेष्ठ वीरभद्र गोसाई, तार उपशाखा जत तारा अंत नाई, अनंत नित्यानंद गण के करुगणन, आत्म पवित्रता हेतु लिखिलाम कतजन, ये सर्व शाखा पूर्ण पक्व प्रेम फले, जारे देखे तारे दिया भासाइला सकले, अनर्गल प्रेम सबार चेष्टा अनर्गल, प्रेम दीते कृष्ण दीते धरे महाबल. Translation: Among the devotees of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, Pitambar was the 64th, Madhvacharya the 65th, Damodar Das the 66th, Shankara the 67th, Mukunda the 68th, Gyandas the 69th, and Manohar the 70th. The dancer Gopal was the 71st, Ramabhadra the 72nd, Gauranga the 73rd, Narsinya Chaitanya the 74th, and Meena Ketana Ramdas the 75th. Vrindavan Das Thakur, the son of Srimati Narayani, composed Sri Chaitanya Mangal, later known as Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat. Srila Vyasadeva described the pastimes of Krishna in Srimad Bhagavatam. The Vyas of the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Vrindavan Das. Among all the branches of Sri Nityananda Prabhu, Veerbhadra Goswami was the topmost. His sub-branches were unlimited. No one can count the unlimited followers of Nityananda Prabhu. I have mentioned some of them just for my self-purification. All these branches, the devotees of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, being full of ripened fruits of love of Krishna, distributed these fruits to all they met, flooding them with love of Krishna. All these devotees had unlimited strength to deliver unobstructed, unceasing love of Krishna. By their own strength they could offer anyone Krishna and love of Krishna. Text 60-61. संक्षेपे कहिलाम ए नित्यानंद गण, जहार अवधि ना पाए सहस्त्र वदन. श्री रूप रघुनाथ पदे जार आश, चैतन्य चरित्रामृत कहे कृष्णदास. Translation: I have briefly described only some of the followers and devotees of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. Even the 1,000-mouthed Sheshanag cannot describe all of these unlimited devotees. with an ardent desire to serve the purpose of Sri Rup and Sri Raghunath, I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita following in their footsteps. So here ends the 11th chapter of Adi Leela of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam.